Welcome to the Peruvian Amazon,
the birthplace of the mighty Amazon River.
It's a place that connects you to cultures who depend on this enormous body of water. Breathe deep, look wide, and take it all in, and uncover the secrets of this boundless landscape. When you're traveling through the Amazon rainforest in Peru, there are amazing things you can experience along your journey. Number 1, the sounds of the rainforest.
The sounds of the jungle echo the spirit of Peru.
The tone of the jungle at night is a rhythm all its own. Even the smallest animals make their presence known in a big way. The songbirds sing, the rain falls, and the river flows.
Number 2, the wildlife. Grab your camera and get ready because the number of animals living in the jungle is immense.
The white-browed titi monkey perched in the canopy, river dolphins and sloths, and the rufous patu, a bird usually only spotted at night. Everywhere you look, the jungle is alive. Number 3, living in harmony with nature. The locals living in the jungle have learned how to work together with what surrounds them. These communities know that in order to thrive, they need what nature provides. They can also generate a sustainable living while respecting the rainforest.
Number 4, the food.
Remind me in my childhood.
Tasty local dishes like juane, cecina, Amazonian sausages, and exotic fruits in every shape, color, and size. Turns out, the rainforest tastes delicious.
Number 5, the local culture.
Visiting villages and seeing how these cultures use traditional ways of life is impressive. Learning about their everyday routines, how to harvest food, and how to cook. I've heard stories about the Amazon my entire life, but being here in Peru is something I'll never forget.